Good morning to respected teachers and my friends. My name is Anmol Pandey and along with my friends Pratham Gandhi and Deepak Chawla, we are doing diploma in electrical engineering in fifth semester from Sri KG Polytechnic, Bharuch. Today we are here to present a short video on types of relay, and our faculty is Mr. S.B. Burani sir. My topic is reactance relay. Reactance relay is a type of protective relay used in electrical power systems to detect and respond to faults or abnormality. Okay, now first, what is reactance? Reactance is the opposition of the current flow in a circuit. And what is meaning of relay? Relay is a electrical switch that open and closing the circuit when the outside sources give the signal. Then reactance relay is a combination of reactance plus relay. It is a combination of what reactance plus relay. So now reactance relay is a type of protective relay used in electrical power system to detect and respond to faults or abnormalities related to the reactive components of the electrical circuit, particularly reactance. Okay, reactance relay is a type of directional resistance relay. Reactance relay is measuring only reactance type in circuit. Now the second point is the primary function of reactance relay is to monitor the reactive elements of the circuit and initiate the protective actions when the reactors fall outside the predefined limit. The primary function is to monitor the reactive elements, and it protect the electric circuit from outside fault. Now, reactive components are those elements in an electric circuit that so release energy without consuming power, such as inductor and capacitor. Reactance is the imaginary components of impedance and is often represented as X in complex impedance. Now, the working principle of reactance relay. The working principle of reactance relay is very simple. As you show in this figure, here is the operating characteristics of reactance relay. In this operating characteristics, here is the negative torque is there, and here is the positive torque is there. Now here is the operating characteristics. Here is the operating characteristics. Now this figure is full based on operating characteristics.
Start.
Now the impedance relay is explained by my friend Pratham Gandhi.
My name is Pratham Gandhi and my topic is impedance relay. And impedance relay is a type of protective relay used in electrical power system to detect faults or abnormalities in the system. Impedance relay એટલે પ્રોટેક્ટિવ રિલે જે ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ પાવર સિસ્ટમમાં એનો ફોલ્ટ કાઢે છે એન્ડ પર્ટિક્યુલર ઇન ટ્રાન્સમિશન એન્ડ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન એમાં વધારેમાં વધારે ટ્રાન્સમિશન ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન લાઇનમાં ફોલ્ટ કાઢે. Impedance relay, the primary function of impedance relay is to monitoring the electrical impedance of the protect circuit or equipment and trip a circuit breaker or disconnect the faculty section of the system when the impedance falls outside of a predefined range. એટલે કે પ્રાઇમરી ફંક્શન એટલે જે એરિયામાં છે તેની બહાર જાય તો તે બ્રેક કરે છે એટલે કે ટ્રીપ કરી દે છે અને તે બંધ કરી દે છે. જો જે The relay operates when the ratio V by I falls below the particular limit value of the relay or equivalent distance for the which the relay operates for the faults, and it's now at the reach of the relay. The operating time of this relay is content irrespective of the fault location within the protected zone. રિલે ત્યારે એટલે કે રિલે ત્યારે જ ઓપરેટ થાય છે જ્યારે ઇમ્પિડન્સ નીચે એટલે કે ડાઉન જતો રહે છે ત્યારે તે જ ઓપરેટ થાય છે તેને રીચ ઓફ ધ રિલે કહેવામાં આવે છે. The operating time of this relay is contact influence of the fault location within the protect zone. Impedance relay are widely used to protect high voltage transmission line from faults such as short circuit and ground fault. Impedance relay જે સૌથી વધારે હાઈ વોલ્ટેજ ટ્રાન્સમિશન લાઇનમાં યુઝ થાય છે કારણ કે એમાં ફોલ્ટ વધારે હોય છે અને ત્યાં ફોલ્ટી જગ્યાને વધારે થવાના કારણે તે વધારે યુઝ થાય છે. can be employed to protect transformer from internal faults as binding short circuit and external faults as overload and insulation breakdown. Impedance relay એટલે કે ટ્રાન્સફોર્મરમાં જે ફોલ્ટ હોય છે જેવા કે વાઇન્ડિંગ, શોર્ટ સર્કિટ, એક્સટર્નલ ફોલ્ટ, ઓવરલોડ, ઇન્સ્યુલેશન બ્રેકડાઉન ઇમ્પિડન્સ રિલે તેને ડિટેક્ટ કરે છે. Impedance relay can be used to monitor the impedance of bus bar and detect faults such as a short circuit between phase or to ground, ensuring the safe and reliable operation of the power system. એટલે ઇમ્પિડન્સ રિલે જે મોનિટર ઇમ્પિડન્સ રિલે બસ બારને મોનિટર કરે છે અને તેને ડિટેક્ટ કરે છે, તેના ફોલ્ટ્સને ડિટેક્ટ કરે છે અને જે ફેઝ અને ગ્રાઉન્ડની વચ્ચે જે ફોલ્ટ થાય છે એને તે સિસ્ટમ દ્વારા સરખું કરે છે અને તેને સેફ રાખે. ઇમ્પિડન્સ રિલે કેન ઓલ્સો બી યુઝ ટુ પ્રોટેક્ટ જનરેટર ફ્રોમ ફોલ્ટ્સ એન્ડ એબનોર્મલ ઓપરેટિંગ કન્ડિશન. એટલે કે ઇમ્પિડન્સ રિલે જનરેટરને પ્રોટેક્ટ કરે છે. Impedance relay working principle. The working principle of distance relay or impedance relay is very simple. There is a one voltage element from potential transformer, a current element fed from current transformer of the system. The deflecting torque is produced by secondary current of CT and restoring torque is produced by voltage and potential transformer. એટલે ઇમ્પિડન્સ રિલે એ ડિસ્ટન્સ રિલે છે તેમાં એક વોલ્ટેજ એલિમેન્ટ હોય છે અને બીજું કરંટ એલિમેન્ટ હોય છે. વોલ્ટેજ એલિમેન્ટ એ પાવર ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર છે, જ્યારે વોલ્ટેજ એલિમેન્ટ એ પાવર ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર છે, કરંટ એલિમેન્ટ એ કરંટ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર છે. એ જ્યારે ટોર્ક એલિમેન્ટ એટલે કે ડિફ્લેક્ટિંગ ટોર્ક એટલે જ્યારે સેકન્ડરી ટોર્ક સીટીમાંથી પ્રોડ્યુસ થાય છે. ઇમ્પિડન્સ રિલે વર્કિંગ પ્રિન્સિપલ. The working principle of distance relay or impedance relay is very simple. There is a one voltage element from potential transformer and a current element fed from current transformer of the system. The deflecting torque is produced by secondary current of CT and restoring torque is produced by voltage of potential transformer. એટલે કે ઇમ્પિડન્સ રિલે ડિસ્ટન્સ રિલે પણ કહેવાય છે. એ વોલ્ટેજ એલિમેન્ટ હોય છે અને બીજું કરંટ એલિમેન્ટ હોય છે. વોલ્ટેજ એલિમેન્ટને પાવર ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર કહેવાય છે અને કરંટ એલિમેન્ટને કરંટ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર કહેવાય છે. ડિફ્લેક્ટિંગ ટોર્ક તે સેકન્ડરી ટોર્ક સીટીમાંથી પ્રોડ્યુસ થાય છે. A fault occurs in the protect circuit such as a short circuit or an overload. The impedance of the circuit changes. This change is in impedance trigger the relay to operate upon detect a fault or abnormal condition. The impedance relay send a trip signal to a circuit breaker and disconnecting device in the power system. These relays are designed to detect change in reactance, which is the imaginary component of impedance, and is often represented as X in complex impedance. Z is equal to R plus JX. એટલે કે જ્યારે પ્રોટેક્શન સર્કિટમાં ફોલ્ટ થાય છે ત્યારે શોર્ટ સર્કિટ અથવા ઓવરલોડ થાય છે ત્યારે સર્કિટનો ઇમ્પિડન્સ બદલાય છે. આ એડમિટન્સમાં જે ફેરફાર થાય છે તે ते मोर रिले एंड वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल वो मेरा फ्रेंड दीपक चाड़ा बताए.
दीपक चाड़ा છે મારો ટોપિક છે મોર રિલે. A મોર રિલે also known as the admittance relay. It is a type of protective relay used in electrical power system to detect faults or abnormalities in transmission line and other high voltage electrical equipment. મોર રિલે એડમિટન્સ રિલે તરીકે ઓળખવામાં આવે છે, જે પ્રોટેક્ટિવ રિલે તરીકે પણ ઓળખવામાં આવે છે. જેનો ઉપયોગ ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ પાવર સિસ્ટમમાં ટ્રાફિક ટ્રાન્સમિશન લાઇન અને હાઈ વોલ્ટેજ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટના ફોલ્ટ ડિટેક્ટ કરવા માટે થાય છે. તે આર યુઝડ ડિટેક્ટ ફેઝ ફોલ્ટ ફોર લોંગ ટ્રાન્સમિશન લાઇન એન્ડ એટ ધ પોઈન્ટ વેર there is an occurrence of synchronizing power surges. The more relay is more sensitive and reliable because it is a combined unit of both distance measurement and direction. આ પ્રકારની રિલે લાંબી ટ્રાન્સમિશન લાઇનોમાં ફોલ્ટ ડિટેક્ટ કરવા માટે વપરાય છે. મોર રિલે સેન્સિટિવ અને વધારે રિલાયબલ છે, કારણ કે તેનાથી ડિસ્ટન્સ મેઝરમેન્ટ અને ડાયરેક્શન શોધી શકાય છે. In this relay, operating torque obtained by volt amperes element and the controlling element is developed due to the voltage element. આ પ્રકારની રિલેમાં વોલ્ટેજ એમ્પિયર એલિમેન્ટ દ્વારા ટોર્ક ઉત્પન્ન થાય છે. વોલ્ટેજ એલિમેન્ટ દ્વારા કંટ્રોલ એલિમેન્ટનો વિકાસ થાય છે. મોર રિલે working principle. When a fault occurs in the protected circuit such as a short circuit or an overload, the admittance of the circuit changes. This change in admittance triggers the Moore relay to operate. The Moore relay continuously measures the electrical admittance of the protected circuit. Admittance is complex quantity that combines conductance and suspension. The relay is called Moore relay because its characteristic is a straight line when plotted on admittance. સર્કિટમાં ફોલ્ટ થાય છે, જેમ કે શોર્ટ સર્કિટ અથવા ઓવરલોડ, ત્યારે સર્કિટના એડમિટન્સમાં ફેરફાર થાય છે. આ ફેરફારના કારણે મોર રિલેમાં ઓપરેટ થાય છે.
Okay. Now our continued topic is reactance relay. Reactance relay. In reactance relay, the operating torque is obtained from the current and the restraining torque by the current and voltage of the directional element. This implies that reactance relay is an overcurrent relay with direction restraints. The directional element is so designed to give maximum torque angle of 90 degrees. Now from the characteristics, it is clear that if the impedance vector head lies on the parallel line, this will have constant reactance X. The important thing which should be noted from the characteristics that resistance component of impedance has no impact on the operation of relay. The relay will operate for all impedance whose head lies below the operating characteristics, whether above or below the R axis. As seen above, the relay is non-directional relay, which means that this relay will not be able to discriminate the fault on transmission line, whether the fault is in section where the relay is located or in the adjoining section. It is not possible to use directional element along with this relay. This is because if we use directional relay with the reactance relay, then reactance relay will operate under normal loading condition if the system is operating or linear unity power factor. The voltage is computed from the potential transformer and the current is derived from the current transformer to determine the impedance. Now two essential torque play a critical part in the relay's operation. The one is left torque while the other is toe torque. The importance of these two torques for relay functioning cannot be overstated. The deflecting torque is generated by the secondary current of the current transformer. The storing torque is provided by the voltage of the potential transformer resistance relay. The reactance relay measures the reactance of the current flowing through a circuit and compare it to preset value. If the measured reactance exceeds the set value, it indicates the presence of a fault or abnormal condition in the system. This triggers the relay to trip the circuit breaker and isolate the faulty section from the rest of the system. Reactance relays are commonly used for protection of transmission line and generator. They are effective in detecting faults such as short circuit, overload, and ground faults. By quickly isolating the faulty section, reactance relay help prevent further damage to the equipment and ensure the safety and reliability of the power system. Advantages of reactance relay. Number 1. Fast response time. Reactance relay can detect faults and respond quickly, helping to prevent damage to equipment and reduce downtime. The second one is high sensitivity. Reactance relay are highly sensitive to change in reactance, allowing them to detect even small fault or change in the system. Third one is simple design. Reactance relay have a relatively simple design, making them easy to install and maintain. Fourth one is wide range of application. Reactance relay can be used in various applications such as power systems, motor protection, and transformer protection. Now the disadvantages of reactance relay. Now the first one is false tripping. Reactance relay can sometimes be prone to false tripping where they detect a fault that does not actually exist. This can lead to unnecessary shutdown and disruption to the system. Now the second disadvantage is limited fault detection. Reactance relay are primarily designed to detect faults based on changes in reactance. They may not be as effective in detecting other types of faults such as short circuit or ground faults. Now the third one is sensitivity to system changes. Reactance relay can be sensitive to change in the system such as variation in load or over voltage. This can result in false tripping or inaccurate fault detection. Now the fourth disadvantage is limited functionality. Compared to other type of relay, reactance relay may have limited functionality and features. They may not be able to perform advanced functions like communication or coordination with other relays.
Continue impedance relay. An impedance relay is a protective relay used in electrical power system to detect faults or abnormalities in the system. Impedance is measured the ratio of voltage to current in circuit and compare it to a set threshold. If the impedance extends the threshold indicating a fault, the relay will treat the circuit breaker to isolate the fault and protect the system from damage. Impedance relays are commonly used to protect transmission line, generator, and transformer. They are a detect fault such as short circuit, ground fault, or phase-to-phase fault by quickly isolating fault. Impedance relay help prevent damage to equipment and minimize downtime in the power system. There are a different type of impedance relay, including Moore relay and circular relays. Each type has its own characteristic and application. Modern impedance relay often incorporate advanced features such as digital signal processing and communication capabilities, allowing for more precise and flexible protection schemes. Overall, impedance relay are an initial components of power system protection, ensuring the safe and reliable operation of electrical network. Application of impedance relay. Impedance relay are commonly used for protection and control in electrical power systems. Some of the applications of impedance relay include overcurrent protection. Impedance relay can be used to detect and protect against overcurrent condition in power system. They measure the impedance of the system and trip the circuit breaker if the impedance exceeds a certain indicating a fault condition. Distance protection. Impedance relay are widely used for distance protection in transmission line. They measure the impedance between the relay location and the fault point, and based on preset setting they can determine the distance to the fault. This help in quickly isolating the faulty section and minimizing disruption to the rest of the power system. Fault location. Impedance relay can also be used for fault location purpose by meaning the impedance at different point in the power system and comparing the value. The relay can determine the approximate location of the fault. This information is useful for maintenance crew to quickly identify and repair the fault. Load shedding. Impedance relay can be used for load shedding in power system. Monitoring the impedance of different sections of the system, and if the impedance exceeds a certain threshold indicator overload conduction, the relay can trip certain load, maintain the stability of the system. Transformer protection. The impedance relay are commonly used for protecting transformer. They monitor the impedance of the transformer winding and trip the circuit breaker if the impedance exceeds a certain threshold. Their hold indicating a fault or abnormal condition. Generator protection. Impedance relay are also used for generator protection. They monitor the impedance of the generator winding and trip the circuit breaker. If the impedance exceeds a certain threshold, including a fault or abnormal condition.
Continue as a Moore relay. Moore relay is an electrical device used in power system to protect electrical equipment from fault and overcurrent condition. It is a type of protective relay that operates based on the principle of electrical conductivity. Specifically, the inverse relationship between resistance. The Moore relay is designed to measure the impedance or resistance of circuit and compare it to the preset threshold. If the impedance exceeds the set limit indicating a fault or abnormal condition, the relay will activate and initiate a trip signal to disconnect the affected equipment for the source. Moore relays are commonly used in high voltage transmission line and are known for their high speed operation and accuracy. They are particularly effective in detecting fault such as a short circuit and line to ground fault. The name Moore is derived from the unit of electrical conductance, which is reciprocal of resistance. Overall, Moore relay play a circular role in maintaining the stability and reliability of power system by swiftly detecting and isolating faulty section, preventing further damage to the electrical network. Application of Moore relay. The Moore relay is type of distance relay power system for the protection of transmission line. It operates based on the principle of impedance measurement and is primarily used to detect and isolate faults in the transmission line. Here are some application of Moore relay. First, fault detection and isolation. Here are some application of Moore relay. First, fault detection and isolation. The primary application of Moore relay is to detect and isolate faults in transmission line. It measures the impedance of the line and compare it with the predetermined set value. If the impedance falls outside the set range, indicating a fault, the relay operates and initiates the tripping of the circuit breaker to isolate the faulty section. Second, zone protection. More relays are commonly used for providing zone protection in transmission lines. By settings, the relay's impedance reach and angle specific section of the transmission line can be protected. When a fault occurs within reach the relay, it operates and isolates the faulted section, preventing it from affecting other parts of the system. Differential protection. More relays can be used in line differential protection scheme where multiple relays are interconnected to protect a transmission line. The relays measure the impedance as both ends of the line and compare them if there is a significant difference in impedance. Indicating a fault, the relays coordinate and initiate the tripping of the circuit breakers at both ends to isolate the fault. Backup protection. More relays can be used as backup protection in conjunction with other types of relay, such as overcurrent relay. If the primary protection fails to detect a fault, the more relay can act as a backup and initiate the tripping of the circuit breaker to isolate the fault section. 5. Load shedding. In some cases, more relays can be used for load shedding purposes. By monitoring the impedance of the transmission line, the relay can detect high load conditions and initiate load shedding actions to prevent system overloading and voltage collapse.